Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to change or remove particle effects in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! First, you want to simply navigate into your options, then head into Video tab, and as a fourth option we have particle effects. As you can see, by default they are set to normal. We can switch it to low, so now we'll kinda improving our performance, or we can, as you can see, we cannot really disable it. I know I kinda lied in the beginning, but not really disable the particle effects completely because they are needed to play the game. Sometimes you get a particle effect hint that something is, for example, like hidden behind a wall or something, or that enemy is low on health or you are on low on health. You probably want to wait for some mod to be able to remove particle effects completely, but if you have some troubles with amount or the FPS, you can just switch it to low and go back and enjoy the game. But anyway, that's all for this video. Found it useful? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.